In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit an IKEA TORARED Lamp Shade. So the first thing you need to do is loosen these threads at the top so that it'll slide through your light pendant. If you've not got a pendant already fitted in your room, you'll need to buy a separate 6-inch pendant, and we'll do another video showing you how to fit that. So once you've opened up your strings, you want to slide it over, you want to create an opening and slide it over your bulb and your existing pendant. If you look from the inside, you need to make sure that your bulb goes on the right side of this metal wire. So you can see now that our cable is wrapped through our wire here, and we can slide it through to adjust the height. But the lampshade actually attaches to the cable of your lighting pendant. And then all you need to do is tie these strings together at the top to make sure that your lampshade sits level. So I hope this video has successfully shown you how to fit your TORARED lampshade.